Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our workshop on Standards for Benefit Cost Analysis of Preventive Interventions for Children, Youth, and Families. There's just a couple of housekeeping rules that we want to go over. First, I want to be sure that everybody has silenced their cell phones. And the other is that you'll notice that we've got the arrangement a little different today, and there's a lot of microphones on the table. Remember that this is a webcast. And so if the microphone is on in front of you, it will cause feedback over the webcast. So please speak into the microphone when you ask your question or making a comment, but then if you would, please turn it off. And then the other is just to remind you again that we have moved up session 7 to the lunch period. So when you'll be able to grab your lunch, come back to the room, and then we will have our session 7 during the lunch period. And then I ask the panel members or the committee members to stay after that. So I think that's everything. So what I'd like to do now is to introduce the speakers for our session 5, which is Other Benefit Cost Analysis Standards. And we are very lucky to have Dr. Richard Zerbe, Dr. Anirban Basu, and Dr. Lynn Carley. And so our first speaker is Dr. Richard Zerbe. Dr. Zerbe is the Daniel J. Evans Professor of Public Affairs at the Evans School, University of Washington, and holds an adjunct appointment with the University of Washington School of Law. He is also the director of the Benefit Cost Analysis Center. Dr. Zerbe previously served on the faculty at York University in Toronto, a postdoc at the University of Chicago, a research appointment at the University of Chicago, a visiting appointment at Northwestern University, and a fellowship at Yale Law School. He was the founder and past president of the Society for Benefit Cost Analysis, was a member of the executive board of the Western Economic Association, and was a scholar in residence with the American Bar Foundation. He's also a founding board member of the American Law and Economics Association. He is the author of more than 100 publications and past editor of the Research in Law and Economics Journal. Outside of academia, Dr. Zerbe serves as a consultant to government agencies. Currently, he is working to establish a more robust foundation for welfare economics and benefit cost analysis in particular. Dr. Zerbe holds a PhD in economics from Duke University and an AB from the University of Oklahoma, where he studied mathematics, general science, and political science. And Dr. Zerbe, we welcome you as our first speaker.